So you want to top up your Chungwa Telecom SIM card or your Ideal SIM card, but you do not know how to do so, or you need some instructions because you know that a healthy knowledge of knowing traditional Chinese, at least the characters. Well, luckily for you, I have this tutorial giving you step-by-steps, guys, how to top up your Chunghwa Telecom SIM card or your Ideal SIM card. Let's just get started. Hi, it's Otto for Phone Travelers here, where we talk about everything related to traveling with your phone. And in this relatively short video, I will just give you step-by-step guides on how to top up your Chunghwa Telecom SIM card. You actually have two methods of topping up, maybe even three, but I know of two. One, you go to a Chunghwa Telecom store and you just tell them I want this much credit or this package, and they will top it up for you. Make sure to bring cash because cash is very appreciated in Chunghwa Telecom stores. Or you go to a 7-Eleven and you use the Ibon machine to get a recharge voucher. But the issue with the Ibon machine is that it is primarily in Chinese or Chinese traditional characters, and if you do not know what is on the screen, then well, it will be very hard to top up. So in this video I will show you how to get a recharge voucher with the Ibon machine with step-by-step guides. But I do have to give a warning for those who get the Chunghwa Telecom SIM card at the airport, is that these SIM cards, they cannot be extended. Even if you try to buy an internet package trying to extend it, it won't work. It will be a waste of your money, so do not even attempt. Let's say you need more data, then you are sadly required to get yourself a new Chunghwa Telecom SIM card. So be aware of that. For everybody else who has an Ideal SIM card and you need credit or data, well, these instructions are for you. So here are the steps to top up or get the top up voucher for your Chunghwa Telecom SIM card. If you see something like this, just press it away, just some advertisements. The first thing you press is stored value and something I can't recall because I don't really read Chinese. At least you look for this emblem. Then you press that. Then you press on this button, which stands for telecommunication services. You press that one, then you choose Chunghwa Telecom, of course. Well, then you have different options. Ignore this. This is stored value or for prepaid. That's the one you need. So you press that one. If I'm correct, this is meter data and this is limited data. So let's just quickly check. You press yes. No, this is credit, incorrect. So here you will pay standard rate, so you can get 300 in credit, 500 NTD and 1000. So let's just go back and see the internet options. So we click this again or press this one, Chunghwa Telecom, stored value / prepaid. Then we have internet. We press OK, let me focus again. Then you can, for example, get unlimited data for like 1 day for 100 Taiwanese dollars. And when I say 1 day, it means for 24 hours. Or you can get 1 gigabyte of data for 60 days. Same, but then for 2.2 gigabytes of data, 3 days of unlimited data, all the way down to 2,300 Taiwanese dollars, which comes with unlimited data for 90 days, or with a cap of 200 gigabytes of data, it seems. So then you have your options. Then you press the one you want. So let's say if I want this 2300 one, you press plus. You can choose multiple ones, so let's say if you need 2, but I will just choose 1 for now. Then you press on continue, OK, you confirm this is correct, you press this one, then the machine will print receipt. This is not your actual voucher. You show this voucher to the 7-Eleven salesperson, and then it will give you the top up voucher to get, to top up your Chunghwa Telecom SIM card. And from there on you follow the instructions. So that's how you get your recharge voucher with the Ibon machine. It looks harder than it seems, but as I said, if you cannot read traditional Chinese, then well, it will be very hard to even figure out what to do so. But of course, let's say if this is still too hard for you, you can always ask the 7-Eleven salesperson. They will always be happy to help you. So yeah, those are your options. Once again, I'm Otto from Phone Travelers, where I talk about everything related to traveling with your phone, or SIM card reviews, or tutorials like this. And if you want to learn if Chunghwa Telecom is actually the best SIM card in Taiwan, or you're considering getting yourself a Taiwanese SIM card, analysis, research, and a review of all the Taiwanese operators, including Ibon Mobile, the MVNO here in Taiwan. You should also watch the comparison video, which is also up there, where I took the 6 SIM cards to the test to see which Taiwanese SIM card is the best. If this video was insightful, make sure to click the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.